When you hear the Tories talk about the problems that the people of Wales face, you think they'd happen by accident. The truth, of course, is that they didn't. They happened because of Tory choices. In the 80s, the Tories chose to close our mines and devastate our industries. In the 90s, when the Tories ran our schools and hospitals, they chose to starve them of crucial investment, leaving the most vulnerable worse off. Since 2010, they've chosen to slash funding to Wales, cancelling projects and investment that Wales desperately needs. And in the last 2 years alone, they've chosen to push ahead with such things as their callous universal credit, bringing communities to their knees. This Thursday, we can all make a choice for real change with Welsh Labour.
Real change, because I'm sick of watching families depending on food banks to feed their children when the Tories are giving tax cuts to their rich friends.
Real change to keep our NHS in public hands across the UK and to stop Boris Johnson selling it off to Donald Trump.
Real change to right the terrible Tory wrong that's robbed me and so many like me of the pensions we've worked so hard for all our lives.
I'm choosing real change so we can face the climate emergency head on, investing in green jobs and protecting our planet for future generations.
I'm choosing real change for a Wales where diversity and difference is celebrated, where we welcome those who choose to make our country their home.
Real change for a criminal justice system that treats everybody equally and doesn't limit justice to those that have the money to pay for it.
We can't afford another 5 years of Tory cuts to spending and investments in Wales. We need the UK Labour government on our side.
The Tories have never cared about Wales. Week in, week out, people all across Wales are suffering because of Tory choices. Wales deserves better. And with the UK Labour government working with Mark Drakeford and his team, we can deliver real and lasting change. The investment and support to unlock the true potential of every business, every community and every child right across our country.
Everyone should have the opportunity to learn new skills and train for the job that makes them happy. Welsh Labour is on the side of young people who want to get on in life.
I've lived through too many Tory governments and seen more communities' lives and hopes dashed than I care to think about. I serve my country, I love my country, and I want better for my country than this Tory rabble we've got in Westminster.
Let's choose real change with Welsh Labour.